Something huge is about to hit the crypto market. This Wednesday, March 19th, the Federal Reserve's FOMC meeting could be the ultimate game changer for Picoin and the entire crypto space. Are we on the verge of a full-blown bull run? Picoin has taken a hit, but is this just a temporary dip before a massive rally? Binance listing rumors, price manipulations, and a shocking market shift. I'm breaking it all down for you in today's video. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also show you how you can take advantage of this market opportunity before everyone else. If you're new here, smash that like button and let's get this information out to more crypto investors. Picoin recently dropped its support level of $1.30, sparking concerns among traders who fear further declines. However, the real reason behind this dip is tied to market speculation and unmet expectations. Many investors were anticipating a major announcement regarding a Binance listing on March 14, commonly known as Pi Day. This expectation led to increased buying pressure, as traders hoped for a price surge to a new all-time high. However, when no such announcement was made, short-term traders reacted swiftly by selling off their holdings, triggering a sharp decline in price. With Picoin now hovering near its support level, the question remains: could it dip further to $1.22 before making a recovery? While the possibility exists, this pullback could present one of the biggest buying opportunities yet for those looking to accumulate at a discounted price before the next potential rally. Forget short-term price swings. Let's focus on the bigger picture and what truly matters for Picoin's long-term potential. While recent volatility has caused concern among traders, the underlying technical and market fundamentals suggest that a major breakout could be on the horizon. One of the key indicators supporting this bullish outlook is Picoin's formation of a strong technical pattern known as a bull flag. This pattern typically signals the potential for an upward breakout, as it reflects a period of consolidation before a continuation of the previous uptrend. If this pattern plays out as expected, Picoin could be gearing up for a significant price surge in the near future. In addition to technical factors, the possibility of major exchange listings remains a game changer. While Picoin has yet to be listed on Binance and other top-tier platforms, such an announcement could happen at any time. A listing on Binance, in particular, would introduce massive trading volume and increased market exposure, potentially driving the price upward at an accelerated pace. Beyond Picoin itself, the broader cryptocurrency market is showing signs of entering a bull run. Historically, when Bitcoin experiences a strong rally, altcoins tend to follow suit, often seeing even more dramatic gains. If Bitcoin continues its upward momentum, Picoin could capitalize on this trend, with the potential for double or even triple-digit percentage increases. While short-term price movements can be unpredictable, the long-term outlook for Picoin remains promising. With strong technical patterns, the possibility of major exchange listings, and an overall bullish crypto market, now could be a pivotal moment for investors looking to position themselves for future gains. What does the Federal Reserve have to do with crypto? Everything. The policies and decisions made by the Federal Reserve, particularly regarding interest rates, have a significant impact on the financial markets, including cryptocurrencies. This Wednesday, March 19th, all eyes will be on the Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) meeting, where policymakers will decide the next course of action for interest rates. This decision is crucial because interest rates play a key role in determining liquidity and investor sentiment across all asset classes, including crypto. If the Federal Reserve chooses to keep interest rates steady or, even better, signals a potential rate cut, it could be a catalyst for a major crypto bull run. Lower interest rates make borrowing cheaper and reduce the attractiveness of traditional investments like bonds, leading more investors to seek higher returns in riskier assets such as cryptocurrencies. Historically, whenever the Fed adopts a more dovish stance, favoring lower interest rates, the crypto market benefits from increased capital inflows, driving prices higher. On the other hand, if the Fed maintains a hawkish position and signals further rate hikes, it could temporarily dampen market enthusiasm, as higher rates tend to tighten financial conditions and reduce speculative investments. However, many analysts believe that the Fed is approaching the end of its rate hiking cycle, which could set the stage for a more favorable environment for crypto in the coming months. With Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market already showing signs of strength, a supportive decision from the Fed could accelerate the momentum, pushing digital assets into a full-fledged bull run. Whether you're an investor, trader, or simply watching from the sidelines, this FOMC meeting could be one of the most important events for the crypto market this year. If Bitcoin surges past $90,000, it could set off a chain reaction across the entire cryptocurrency market, propelling altcoins like Picoin to new heights. Historically, Bitcoin serves as the market leader, dictating overall sentiment and liquidity flows. When Bitcoin experiences a significant breakout, investor confidence soars, and capital begins to pour into altcoins, often resulting in even larger percentage gains for these smaller cap assets. Picoin, in particular, stands to benefit greatly from such a rally. As a relatively new and highly anticipated cryptocurrency, it has been steadily building a strong community of supporters and traders. If Bitcoin crosses the $90,000 threshold, it could spark increased speculative interest in altcoins, pushing Picoin and others into a parabolic uptrend. Given the nature of altcoin cycles, Picoin could see exponential gains as traders look for high-potential assets that have yet to fully capitalize on the bullish momentum. Additionally, major exchange listings and increasing mainstream adoption could further amplify Picoin's price movement. If a Bitcoin surge coincides with a new listing announcement for Picoin on platforms like Binance or Coinbase, the resulting demand could drive an even more dramatic price increase. The combination of heightened exposure, fresh liquidity, and overall market enthusiasm would likely create the perfect conditions for Picoin to skyrocket in value. With Bitcoin already inching closer to this crucial milestone, the altcoin market is preparing for what could be a historic run. If history repeats itself, a break above $90,000 could trigger an altcoin season where Picoin and other digital assets see explosive growth, offering massive opportunities for investors who position themselves early. A viral post that has now amassed over 321,000 impressions is stirring controversy within the crypto community, calling out Binance and CoinMarketCap for allegedly manipulating Picoin's ranking and delaying its official listing. This claim has reignited debates about transparency in the cryptocurrency market, with many investors and enthusiasts demanding accountability from major exchanges. The frustration stems from the fact that despite Picoin's growing adoption and market presence, it has yet to secure a full-fledged listing on Binance. Many believe that Binance's reluctance to list Picoin is a strategic move to control its market influence, while others argue that regulatory concerns or unresolved internal processes might be delaying the decision. Regardless of the reason, the crypto community is becoming increasingly vocal, pushing for Binance to recognize Picoin's legitimacy and provide a clear explanation for the delay. Should Binance finally list Picoin officially? That's the question on everyone's mind. The growing demand for transparency is not just about one cryptocurrency, it's about fair market practices that impact the entire crypto ecosystem. If Picoin is indeed being unfairly ranked or overlooked, it raises concerns about how centralized exchanges and platforms like CoinMarketCap influence market perception. Despite the ongoing controversy, Picoin continues to hold an impressive valuation of $9.2 billion, placing it among the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market cap. This valuation highlights the fact that institutional investors and large-scale traders still see significant potential in Picoin, reinforcing the idea that its impact on the crypto market is far from over. With pressure mounting on Binance and CoinMarketCap, the coming weeks could be crucial in determining whether Picoin finally gets the recognition and listing it deserves. Until then, the debate rages on, and the crypto community is making its voice heard louder than ever. What do you think? Should Binance take action and officially list Picoin? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next market update.